Hello student. So today we are going to learn our fifth chapter. The chapter name is Animation in PowerPoint. Okay. So this is our part first. So far we have to learn to create the multimedia presentation using the Microsoft PowerPoint by the various types of slide contents like text, graphics, pictures, images, etc. So during the slideshow, we observe that each slide appear as the collection of static object arranged on it. Okay, but sometimes we do not want to all the object to be appear simultaneously on the slide. So we want to them to show on the slide at the specific time. This helps the audience to understand the presentation in the better manner. So now we will learn to add the special animation effect on the slide as well as the slide object to make our presentation more effective and interesting. So let's start. So animation. Animation are the special visual effects that are used to make the presentation more attractive for the audience. Okay, and it helps the speakers to control the flow of presentation during the slideshow. Means the PowerPoint offer the two types of animation effects, slide animation and object animation. Means the slide animation helps to change the slide in the animated manner during the slideshow. Okay, and while the object animation help to show the slide object in an interesting manner. Okay, so let us learn how to use these features in PowerPoint. So let's start. First is animation slide object. Means the PowerPoints offer the four category of animation effect that can be applied on the individual slide object like text, images and word art, etc. So let's see that four categories that used for animation effects in PowerPoint. First is entrance effects, exit effects, emphasis effect and the motion path. Okay, so are the four animation effects that are used for adding the animation to the any object like text, image, word art, etc. So let's learn it. So look at here, the entrance, emphasis, exit and the motion path. These four categories of animation effects. So the entrance effects that are used to introduce the object on the slide. Okay, then the exit effect. This exit effect is used to remove the object from the slide during the slideshow from the current slide. Then next is emphasis effect. Means this used to highlight the object on the slide during the slideshow. And next is the motion path. This motion path is used to remove the object on a specific path as the needed. Means you can apply anything or the multiple effects on the single object as that you needed. Okay, here that effects, blinds, box, checkbox, diamond, fly in, etc. Okay, so next is modifying the animation. Okay, means you can change the default setting of that applied animation as per the need of your presentation. Okay, means in this way, look at here the direction. You can change their direction from bottom, for left, from right, or top. Okay, in this way you can change their default setting. Next is recording the animation sequence. Okay, this recording animation sequence means you can change the sequence in which animation has to be played. For example, so look at here, this is our custom animation. Okay, and here gives a speed and these are the given animation here. First animation, and this is our second animation. You can also reorder it. Here reorder means you have to put this order in upward side. You can, by using that arrow, you can change their setting, change their sequence. Okay, and if you want to this first animation, this first effect, if you want to add in a downward position, so this arrow is used to change the sequence. Okay, and this is our timing. Automatically after it's showing the animation. Next is removing the applied animation. So look at here one button here, the remove. So if you want to remove this animation effect, just select it and click on the remove button. Immediately this effect will be removed in given slide. Okay, means if you want to remove any of the existing animation effect from that object. So let's practically demonstrate it, how to adding the animation, how to removing the animation, how to modify it. Okay, so let's start. Next is adding the animation to the object. Okay, so this is our object, this pictures is object, this text, this sentence is our object. So firstly just select this object. Okay, so in the animation tab, okay, here one option here, this is our animation group. The animation group, here one option here, custom animation. Okay, so just click here the custom animation. Okay, so select this object and look at here one option here, add effects. Okay, here one drop down, just click there. Then here one options, the list of options here, the entrance, emphasis, exist, motion path. Okay, so here one options, here also some list of option, blinds, box, checkboard, diamond, fly in. Okay, so I choose the fly in option. In this way this object will be fly in the position. Then next, this is our next object, so I choose this effect box. So in this way this animation is applied. Similarly you can add effect to other object or some multiple effects on the single object. Okay, so you have to just click preview option in the preview group of animation tab. Okay, and this preview is just check how to animation are working. So in this way, look at here, in this way the animation is working. Then the next is modifying the animation. The modifying means you have to just change their setting, like you have to start from on their click with their previous, after previous. Okay, also you can change their duration, also you can change their directions, like from bottom, from left, right, okay, from top. Okay, so in this way also you can take speed, for example very slow, slow, medium, fast, very fast. Okay, I choose the medium. So in this way, okay, this way you can change some default setting in this slide and this object. Next is reorder the animation sequence. For example, look at here, this is our picture one, this is our first effect, and this is our second effect. So I want this effect reorder this animation sequence. So look at here, you have to just use the move earlier and move later option. This, look at here, reorder option and earlier, move earlier option and move later option. Okay, so look at here, the sequence is changed. This image is firstly insert and then this object is insert next. Okay, firstly this object is insert and second this object is insert. So look at this in this way, first and then second. Okay, so nextly I have to change the sequence. I have to first, this text is fly in and then these two images is inserted. So this title goes in upward side. So look at here. So first, second and third. In this way, this animation is reordered. So look at here, play. Okay. Also, if you want to remove any existing animation effect, you can delete it in this way. Just select this object and look at here, one option here, remove option, just remove in this way. Look at here, this animation is removed, like play. Understood? Thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.